My friends, these are some unbelievable radar images I'm about to show you right now. Absolutely unbelievable. I can't believe I'm even seeing this. Okay, let's just take a second here and switch over to my radar. There we go. Okay, so this one down in Mississippi hit the town of Bassfield. We're going to just rewind here and watch how this tornado moves. And I'm going to tell you what these two images are showing you here. So this one here, Tylertown, just taking a little bit of a miss there. What's going on here, as you can see, the radar here in the velocity scan on the right-hand side is reading these winds coming this way and these ones going that way. Just to give you an example. We'll find a better view of this, but that's showing you your couplet right there. You can see that general motion showing up. So just on the outside of that town of Taylortown, this tornado went by, right? Now, what do we have on this one here on the left? This is correlation coefficient. So what it's measuring is how uniform is the particulates that are in the air. So if it's raindrops, they're probably all the same size. If it's raindrops, but then some hail, you're going to have some variations. Well, if you have a tornado go through an area, you're going to have even more variation. So what are we looking at here? Okay, I'm going to have to back this up because the updated radar image has moved on from us. So here's Tylertown. We're going to watch the storm, follow this track right to Bassfield. In my video beforehand, I said it was probably coming for Bassfield. Look at this is two tornadoes, actually. Two tornadoes that come through here. There's one there. There's one here. This is unbelievable. So one storm moves into that environment, the next, and it just fires off and does exactly what it does. Oh, my. And then here's this strong tornado now approaching Taylorsville. We're going to watch it hit Taylorsville right now. You can see that couplet on the velocity scan here. Again, you can see the winds going this way. You can see these ones are going that way. Fresh radar returns. And then you're going to look at the debris ball right here. See on the left-hand side here. This is the debris ball. So what this is chunks of houses, people's belongings, furniture, tree branches, animals, whatever being loft 10, 15,000 feet up in the air. So this is what you're going to... Now let's watch. The town of Taylorville is going to take this direct hit now. Oh. That's hard to look at. Because I know what this means for anybody in that. That's hard to look at. And meanwhile, while that's going on, it appears that we have possibly a second tornadic system on the go on that same line. And what's happening today is the environment's so rich coming off the second tornado warning there for Bassfield. So you can see this trailing right here. So there's enough moisture coming up, enough heat through the Gulf of Mexico, and it's hitting this wind shear environment, and everything's getting spinning, and the next storm comes through, and it's the first one's not eating up all that energy. The first one comes through and eats all that energy up. No, that's what we normally expect. The energy still remains, and more tornadoes are able to fire up out of this. So that's just an example. Small town, completely wrecked, completely destroyed by this tornado. Particularly dangerous situation continues now for anybody in its path. Silverena, Bay Springs, Lookout, Lewin, Montrose. These tornadoes are long lasting. They're on the ground for hours. They're not deviating course much. So you could probably bet that Hickory, Collinsville, Nellyburg, anyone down the line of these storms, you better watch out. Look at that. That's something nasty in there too. Tornado warning in there. So there's another. All you got to do is just go around right now. There's so many tornadoes dropping. There's so many storms that have been doing it. And we're just getting started today, everybody. We're just getting started. Things are going to be really extreme, really, really out of the, really things like we'd never see much in our lives are going to be happening. This is a major, major, major tornado outbreak. Keep trying to spread the word. If you got friends and family down there in that southeast part of the United States, you please let them know. Make them sure that they're watching streamers. Make sure they're aware of what's going on. Make sure that they're plugged into their weather radios or whatnot, because these lines of storms are not messing around. They're not. Anything that's coming into this purple region, you could expect for long track, strong, destructive tornadoes that will kill people. Absolutely. My heart goes out to you all today. Good luck, everybody.